blockchain buyer channel. I am back and I'm happy to be back. Let me tell you, I know you're looking at the new format now like, what is going on? Well, here's the thing. I got an iPhone and so I am trying something new. You know, I'm a big Casinocoin believer. I believe in this token and people are going to continue to go to casinos and enjoy the rush and the thrill of being able to win big. And that's not going to go away. So I think that Casinocoin is one of the most promising tokens that are under a penny right now. I definitely love this token and I'm excited to look at their new page. It looks really cool. But as you see, it's talking about the token swap. The token swap does in fact end on June 18th. I'm sure many of you know this already. This isn't for you if you already know it already. This is for the people that didn't know it. And I say that because I was helping a lot of people do the token swap during this whole time that I was gone. I was helping people do the token swap, and I'm going to go directly to the token swap area and I'm going to go over this just because I feel like a lot of people wanted to know about this. By now, I certainly hope that you figured it out, but if not, this is just one more repetition just to let you know how it's done. Maybe you'll hear something while I speak that might help you out. So let's get right into it. Token swap. Casinocoin is swapping the XRP ledger. The token swap will take place from April 20th, 2021 through June 18th, 2021. Click here for more information and instructions. I'm going to click here, right where that blue click here is. Now, it's going to open up to casinocoin.im. And then it's going to say token swap information. Now, if you've read all of this, I'm not going to read it. I've already actually read a lot of that before on past videos. I'm going to go straight to where you need to find where you need to go next. And that is where it says, what do I need to do? So then I click the here button or the here link. Then it opens up to this Eminence page. This is eminence.crunch.help, and this is where it's going to go through all of the steps that you need to do to get your Casinocoin swap going. Now, it's June 1st, so we definitely need to get it in and get it done. How to swap CSCL for XRPL CSC via XUMM. So that means you're going to need to download the XUMM app. XUMM. Here are the prerequisites. In order to participate in the swap, you will need the following. You will need your Casinocoin account secret. How do you get your Casinocoin account secret? From my experience, I have found the Casinocoin account secret on the Casinocoin app. So that's how you'll find it. I'll get more into that later. But actually, you know what? I'm going to get into that right now. So it says your Casinocoin CSC account secret. Where you're going to find your account secret is you're going to go on your Casinocoin app on your phone, on your iPhone. Make sure you click the account. It's going to have an account. Click that account. I'm not going to show you mine, but click that account. And then if you're doing it on your computer, right click the account and then you will see a list, a menu, and in that you'll be able to find your account secret after right clicking your account if you're doing it on a desktop. If you're doing it on a iPhone, you will need to go to your account in your iPhone on the CSC wallet, go to your account, make sure you tap your account, and then on the bottom right corner, there is going to show a Casinocoin logo. You will click that and then it will, or you will tap that and then it will have a list of many different red circles. You will tap the one that says a key and then you will put in your password and it will reveal to you your account secret. So just wanted to let you know that. Then it says, if you don't know how to find your account secret, please check this mobile or this desktop. So everything that I said could be found if you click these links right here. Then it says, note, you need to store the secret in a safe place as it will be needed for future recovery of the account. You will need that. Next, you're going to need a government issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Then, got to have you at least 20 XRP. If you don't have 20 XRP and you need to buy 20 XRP, you can still buy that amount of XRP on BitTrue. Number 4, latest version of the XUMM app. I'm going to read the notes really quick. 1 swap per person only. You can't swap from multiple different accounts. You will need to only swap all of your Casinocoin at once. Once you initiate the swap and submit your balance, do not send additional coins to the account. This will cause unnecessary work and delays. Next, if you previously did set up a XUMM account you will not use, as you have to import your existing CSC account, please check this how to claim your XRP back. Do not activate the imported CSC account before the swap tells you to do it. Otherwise, the process may fail. So, don't get ahead of yourself. Make sure you follow the steps, step by step. Do not go ahead, because if you do, then you might be causing yourself a little bit more headache. Just follow the process. It'll be done in no time. Next, after you have all of those other things, get ready, because we're about to initiate the swap. How do you do this? You will need to open up your XUMM app. At the bottom of your XUMM app, it's going to be an X and a check mark. This is after you've logged into your XUMM app. There's going to be an X and a check mark. Tap that. That will open up into something that says scan QR code. You will then tap that, and then it'll open up a camera to scan a QR code. Then you will want to scan this step 1. You will want to scan this QR code right here. This will initiate the swap. Then you can move to step 2, because then it's going to tell you that you initiated the swap. Once you have imported the account, continue to the next step and scan the second QR code, which we're going to get to right now. It says start the swap X app. This is a different QR code than the one above. Make sure you scan this one as number 2. A lot of people trip up just scanning the first one twice. So I have to reiterate that. Open the application wizard to the swap CSC to XRPL by scanning the QR code below. Next thing you want to do is please scan the QR code with your XUMM app on your smartphone. So just like we did on step 1, we will open up our XUMM app, go to where it says X and check mark at the bottom center of it. It'll open up and say scan QR code, and then you will scan this one right here. When we get to these points, a question that a lot of people ask is, how do I scan my QR code? Just do what I did and open it up on like a computer screen or on another phone and just scan it from there. It won't take long if you were to do that. Now we're going to part 1 of step 2. We're going on, you see where it says start the swap? Now it's going to go to 1. We're still in step 2 because we're starting the swap. Now it says verify that you are importing the correct account and tap the green button that says correct. This is how it will look. This is where you see your account. You see where it says please confirm that this is indeed your CSC account address. This address that's lit up in red, that's highlighted in red, this is the same account number that you have in your CSC wallet. This is what it's looking for. Once you see that where it's highlighted red mirrors the exact account that you have in your CSC wallet, then you can hit the correct button, and that looks like my account. Now you're going to go to step 2, where it says by tapping give permission, you are granting XRP Labs permission to share your KYC data to Eminence Lab. So tap give permission. Now it's going to show this on the screen, and it's going to say sign the request by sliding to the right. That is what it will use as your signature. Once signed, you will see the confirmation, and this is how it will look. It will show a transaction ID and it will say copy. Hit the close button because you're going to step 5. Verify that the account balance the swap app gathered matches your CSC account balance. You'll see your account at the top highlighted red. You'll see the account number that you have in your CSC wallet. Then you will see the balance that you have in that account. And then you will see what your new account will be. And the only difference between that is there's a C on the at the heading of the top one, and the new one will start with an R. Everything else will be the same. Hit correct and you're ready to go to step 6. Now you must activate the account by sending 20 XRP to it. You can now close the swap wizard temporarily, so tap close CSC swap for now. So how do you do that? Okay, I'm in my BitTrue right now because I wanted to show you how it's going to look when you get to your BitTrue. You're going to go to your assets in your BitTrue. Then you're going to find XRP, this icon that you see in the top left corner. And then it's going to show XRP address. Then it's going to say paste the address and scan the QR code, or scan the QR code. Paste address or scan QR code. So all you will do is, you see this bottom, the bottom one that we talked about before, the bottom highlighted red account. You will take this account that starts with an R and you will copy it. After you've copied this address at the bottom that's highlighted red, you will paste that address. You will paste that address in here where I just typed, where it says paste address. You copy it and you paste it here. Tag. No tag. You don't need a tag, so you can tap that where I just changed it from blue to a check mark. Then it's going to tell you that you have to send at least 22 XRP from your BitTrue app in order for it to actually send. It won't send if it's less than 22 XRP. So make sure you have 22 XRP to send, and then you just type 22 XRP, and the fee of it is going to be 0. Then all you do is you hit the withdraw button and you follow the steps that it tells you in order to send it from this wallet to your XUMM wallet. Once your account is funded, your main screen will look like this. So now, if you want to open the app again, you can open the app again, tap events, and then Casinocoin swap, or you can scan this QR code below. For me, I just tapped Casinocoin swap because it was really easy to find it in the apps. And this is how it looks. It's got that green Casinocoin, kind of almost like a MasterCard look. And that's what I like to say. But yeah, events right there. You would tap that where it's right under today. And then you would go back into your swap to continue further. Now, number 9, it says the swap app will check if the account is successfully activated. Then you just hit that green continue button. Now that the account is activated, it's time to set up a trust line. Tap set up a trust line right here, highlighted green, this green button. Number 11, review if everything is correct and sign off by moving the bottom slider to the right. Scroll down and confirm by sliding to the right. Update account assets submitted successfully. Then all you do is close and then go to number 12 where it says continue. And it says you have a trust line set up to the CSC issuing account. You're good to hold CSC tokens. Time for KYC. Start the KYC procedure. This part is really easy. If for everybody who's been in crypto for a while, this part, you know this part, because this is the part where you need your license or a photo ID where you can take a picture of your driver's license, ID, or passport, front and back, and put in the information that's needed. Now we go to number 14. XUMM KYC will open. Tap start the KYC procedure. Then it's gonna show this. You tap start session. Then it says select the country that issued your identification and tap continue. Number 17, select the document type by tapping it. If the app requires additional permissions, please grant them. Take pictures of documents as requested. Once finished, tap continue. Press the button to finish KYC flow. Number 19, the Swap app will confirm that the submission was successful and you passed KYC. Tap to continue. That's that green continue button right there. Number 20, the Casinocoin team will verify your submission and sign it off. When you get to the end, it's going to say, wait for review and approval by the CSC team and receive your CSC on your new XRP Ledger account. The CSC team will now review your account and KYC information and credit you your CSC on the XRP Ledger if everything is in order. Number 21, once verified, your CSC will be automatically swapped for your XRPL CSC. And this is how it's going to look. You're good to go. Close the X app and check your CSC balance on your XUMM home screen. Then you can close the Swap app. So that's all you need to do. I know it seems like a lot of steps, but honestly, once you get to the KYC part, I feel like the KYC part was like my halfway point, because the technical details of like scanning the QR code and all that kind of stuff and making sure to scan the other one and knowing where everything is in the phone, like where people were asking, where do I find the QR camera to scan the QR code? And then a lot of people were also asking, how can I scan it when I have it opened on my phone already? An easy way for someone, open up the eminence.crunch.help, open this up on a separate computer or separate device, open up this website, and then scan the code from your phone from there. So at the end of the day, I'm just happy to help. I know that a lot of you have already done the swap. This is for the people who have not done the swap. I've tried to help as many people as I could in person, but I'm just trying to help out the last remaining few people. If you need any help and you're just out here just looking for different videos, I hope that this video could help you out a little bit. And guys, I am happy to be back. If I'm any one of these faces below, I'm the smiling face. I'm really happy to be back. I'm learning this whole iPhone recording thing. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. XRP, we got a position, we chain like an actual position.